Now to remove a hinge and add, let's say, a wheel to your module, this is what we need to do. First, we're gonna remove the 2 pegs on the side, just like this. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate this hinge 90 degrees to the side, and we're gonna carefully grab it like a handle, and using your thumb to push out, we remove the hinge. Now, if we want to add the wheel, first thing that we need to do is we need to verify that this is the dummy side, so we want to add the wheel on this side. Now, if we check the grooves on the wheel, we're going to be able to see how to align it with the Ziro connector. So we just do it this way, and now we grab one of the pegs and we just slide it in. And now your wheel should be able to be attached to the module. Now, to remove the wheel, all we need to do is the opposite process. We remove the peg from the wheel, and then we just slide the wheel out according to the groove. Now, if we want to add a hinge to the module, so all we need is the hinge to these pegs. So the way we do this, we make sure that both of the sides of the pins, they are aligned. So we just carefully slide in, making sure that both of the sides are properly connected. Push it in, and then after that, with the pegs, just put them in and push them in until they hold well.